Hello everyone, this is Frankie and Hawkins Zero Chainland. Today I'm going to show you what I would look like as a Thomas train. So, I'm going to grab colors. So first, I'm not going to do an outlining. See, I will. Don't know where my black is, so I'm going to use gray. So, also going to have orange. I'm going to use yellow. And also a little bit of red and yellow. So these are the colors I'm going to have. So, move that all aside. Now it's time to start drawing. So, if I was a Thomas train, I would be a steam engine. So, I'm not really good at drawing steam engines. I'm better at drawing diesels. I'm not trying to say I'm the worst. I don't know if I'm the worst. There might be worse people than me. Now my number is going to be 100. I don't know why I just didn't think of another one before I started doing the recording. Now it's time to use another color. So now I've got to do some stripes, like in the usual steam engine that you would see. After this, I just forgot to do the dome. That's what I forgot. Oh, right, lid. And just flip this. And okay, this is gonna have to be experimental. Probably 3 domes, not funnels. And now I've got to color this in, and gotta be very careful not to touch the face. And this is gonna line up, and now gotta do a window. Yeah, this is gonna look like Percy. I might even make this into a Trackmaster train. I'm gonna do the wheels. Okay, I should have put this on 4. Sorry. Okay. Coupling. So, now I just gotta color it in. So yeah, there's me as a Thomas train. I might make this into a Trackmaster engine, and it's gonna be called, this is my name. It's gonna have my name, and yeah, it's not gonna be my channel name. I'm just not gonna tell you where I live, or what country I'm in. So yeah, see, I did grid. So I wrote, and that's me as a Thomas train. Bye!